It's the better side of the map to be on, certainly. All right, Polar, you're at the tip of that island. Piper, need you to take the roundabout way to end up on there.
Mark, where you want Polar again?
Polar, island there.
Got it.
Okay, I'll be going A because I'm closer to
Twilight, you're diving into C in the comfortable island to the north of in C. Well, compared to the one in the south, it is. So
want me to
don't
go?
stay there, and I will prevent one from getting there.
Turn off your neon lights. Just kidding.
Seats in the upright position.
I stuck it just shoot time on the back of his boat.
Engine boost activated.
Just married with like the things dangling behind him.
Yeah, lots of tin cans.
Which guy?
He won't be there.
Oh, that guy. Oh, I thought you meant like a specific person. I will try my hardest to make sure he doesn't get there. You want to cross in front? I'll slow down.
RPF's pointing the mid, eh? They're doing the same thing.
Did they change the spawn location on this map? I feel like they
Yes.
changed it. Okay.
Yes, they did. This is
Okay.
now in the center. And because it's in the center, more ships now will play the west side than ever did before.
Okay.
You want me over here?
They just got on B.
That's up to MissDeathy if you need to push that far out. See what your RPF is doing.
Mine's
It's
still
going to
pointing
take a
mid.
little bit to get into position.
I'm gonna put my guns outside, so go spot out there.
You want me over here somewhere?
Yeah, I think so for now. If we don't see any action going that way, then oh, I'm gonna touch you, just the tip.
Don't touch somebody.
I'm located.
All good.
Let me know if C gets contested. I got all of C in my radar range.
Well, it's not worth me shooting at the Stalingrad.
2 confirmed this way.
Since it was something in the cap before they got there, you've got at least a DD with them.
There's 3 confirmed. Monty's floating mid.
Radar popped. You're covered at C. If anyone gets near, you're good. There he is.
Watch that, Monty.
Critical engine damage.
Watch the torps. Thank you for the smoke.
I'll get out and spot in a second. This one cover
Copy
your
that.
ass.
I'm gonna pop hydro.
Des Moines has me in radar range. I'm wondering what. Oh, it's
Yeah,
close.
back up then. Don't go out wider.
Yeah, I'm going.
Go out there. Awesome. That Monty's pretty fairly aggressive.
Got torps coming from mid.
How wide you want the Stalingrad out there?
Probably not very.
Engine boost
Oh,
deactivated.
no. They're pushing. Concentrate on
Watch
the Henry
out, Ben.
first.
They're coming in. Yes, focus Henry, please. Oops, I'm shooting AP. My bad.
I'm about to take Stalingrad.
I think their DD's going up mid. Just heads up. Torps came from that direction.
But whenever you can get to the mid and start spotting it.
I'm detected. He's like, right
Yeah,
there.
I'm detected too, so I gotta.
I can pop radar.
If you want to
Yeah.
go for it.
Popping
We're
radar.
basically just hunting him.
Coming
There he
towards
is. He's
us.
coming up behind me.
I'm gonna try to get torps on you.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
We're on the Stalingrad.
I am radar.
God, that Henry's fast.
Henry on fire.
Launching torps in front of you, MissDeathy.
Yeah, I'm backing up. You're good.
I'll try to get into cover now. This is not good. They're gonna contest this gap hard.
Nice hits. Awesome.
Good up.
Nice.
Switch. Do you have good shots on that Des Moines?
Smoke's
I
dead.
have good shots on the Des Moines, yes.
Take shots at that Des Moines. I don't have shots, but I need him down.
Okay.
Actually,
Hey, Brent,
yeah. Do that.
putting a burn on me.
Those torps look good on the Stalingrad. I might get one.
Awesome.
I'm repositioning to start burning down the Monty. I don't have shots on anyone else.
Oh, I got a broadside on the Stalingrad. I'm
Then get
sorry.
the Stalingrad.
Stalingrad took 2 torps, no flood.
Stalingrad on fire.
He damage con, so if you can burn him down, burn him down.
Monty's
All
barely
stations
moving.
reporting the position of a
Copy.
strategic target.
I'm gonna slip in behind if I can and grab B. What do you think of that?
Do so safely. They got
no,
radars. I
you'd-
no.
You'd still run into the gearing.
Okay, okay. There's the gearing.
Gearing up.
You're gonna kill the gearing, aren't you?
Radar,
I have
MissDeathy, if you got
radar
it.
on 30.
I'm gonna die.
I don't have smoke close enough for you.
Stalingrad down.
Finish theirs.
You got Hydro, MissDeathy?
Yes, Hydra's up.
Please.
Stalingrad down. Switching to
Oh, I'm gonna need a boatload of torpedoes now.
switching to gearing.
What's
If
my
you got
torps?
shots on the
I'm
Des
firing
Moines,
at the Des
or
Moines.
if you got shots on the gearing, take it. Hydra's on. I think radar's on.
Torpedoes, direct front.
Nice.
Switching to Des Moines, pulling forward.
Our victory
Watch
is
out for
in
your
sight.
broad on that Monty. He's gonna hit me.
Smoke
Oh, I'm gonna
generator
keep the
started.
Monty busy.
Copy that.
Do not push forward. I got torps on that Des Moines.
Copy that. I'm gonna putting brakes on.
Smoke screen set.
We both got shit over this island.
I was watching that. It's like trying to get one shot to go over it.
Yeah, I got his ass anyway. I think.
I'm on fire.
Oh, he moved. He's bad. Torps are-
Fire
See
on
if
the
I can
Monty.
spot that Montana.
Can't believe I can't buy a Citadel against him.
Did have the advantage. I haven't spotted. I'm gonna go guns hot in that Des Moines.
Yeah, that's fine. He's focused on me.
That's it. Concentrate on me, Monty. Ignore the Des Moines behind me.
Des Moines not in his range anymore.
Good hits on that.
Destroyed an enemy battleship. Our team has taken the lead.
Done. He's done. Yep. Going B. Yep.
Copy that.
Roger that. Thanks for the help, Twilight.
Do we know? Oh, it's just the two boats over there. Never mind.
Probably
Gonna
won't make it into to B, but or to cap it, but I'll stop their point progression.
Perfect.
Engine boost activated.
Shh. I'm fast. Oh,
Boom.
never mind. Blap. Not
Victory
fast
is
enough
in
now. Good hits.
Yeah, that's it for that. Had to get our groove back. That's all.
Blap.
My cap. Standing
trying.
still, I don't understand. He's just in front of the cap. You think he'd take it.
Oh, nice hits.
Good game.
Game well executed.
Execute is the word.
We were patient. We outweighted them. That push on their side was suicidal.
I don't know what they were doing.
It was a onesie-twosie push. You don't do that.
Killed 4 boats.
Stole that kill for me and not Des Moines. I saw that.
I know. I didn't mean I. You know.
There's nothing he could do when I was firing AP into his ass. He was like, "Oh shit!" It's
Somehow.
Well, we're on a winning run, so we'll play one more and then we'll break up. Okay?
yeah. I'm gonna go to bed after this.
I need to call it quits early today too. I'm suffering a cold that I'm trying to shake.